Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Inventor, which is the 3D modeling software that we use in the drafting classes to create a mouse in 3D solid. I'm not going to go through all the steps, but um, I just wanted to show you something neat because this is a problem that was presented to me, and I wanted to try to figure out how to make this type of solid in Inventor. And the thing is it's not as easy as it may seem. It's a simple mouse, okay, but the mouse has a lot of contours, okay. This is a view of one side of the object. This is another. You can see all the strange contours. And then here's the top, and you can see contours going in and out all the way around. So that presents quite a few challenges, and this by any means is not a full how-to video how to create a mouse, but this is how to get the basic shape that you can work with and manipulate. So um, I actually used my camera phone and I took pictures of the front of the mouse, the right side of the mouse, and the top view of the mouse. Okay, and I actually imported those pictures into Inventor, and you can see those here, and I placed them on the primary planes. Okay, and I want to point out that this was not an easy point and click operation. I had to do some manipulation and movement of planes and things like that. But once I got the images in there, then I sketched a spline around the outside edges of the sketches. Okay, and so now I'm ready to actually create the solid model. And um, generally, when you're creating a 3D model in any 3D software package, actually, but Inventor as well, you start off with a 2D sketch, and then you perform a 3D operation on it. And probably the most common 3D operation is extrude. And extrude um, actually you can add material or you can subtract material using a predefined sketch. So that's what I'm going to do to start off with. Is I'm actually going to extrude these three sketches and create some solid bodies to work with. Okay, so I'm actually just clicking inside the profiles and that I've already created, and I'm going to do that for each one. And I know this, I need to actually suppress that for just a moment. And let me see if I can, there we go. See this other one. Okay, so now I have three solid bodies. Let me make sure about that. Okay, and this looks like nothing right now. Okay, but what I want to use is to combine the three solid bodies. I want to use the combine command in Inventor. So what I'll do is I'll just click combine, and then I'll choose two of the pre-existing bodies, and I want to use intersect, the intersect option of the combine command, to only use the material that overlays one another. Okay, everything else will be discarded, and you can see that by the little symbol there. So this is the intersect option of the combine command. So I'll click apply. Okay, and then let me back up 1 second here. So base. Okay, and then finally I want to do that one more time. This was this little part right here is what was left over from that first intersection command, and then or intersection option, and I want to do it one more time. So I want to intersect that, and then apply. Okay, and this is the solid that's left. This was the three solids that were overlaying one another, and this, even though it's not perfect, it is a good starting point for what the mouse would look like. You recognize the shape from the front, the right side, and the top, and we got all the contours. Okay, you have some rough edges, and you could go and actually fillet the feature, and that'll smooth some of the edges for you, and you can just go from there. But the main thing I wanted to show you is how to use the the combine command to combine three solids. So that concludes this video.